Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh and a very good morning. So we meet again in our English class. So today is Friday, 27th of August 2021. So today we're going to only use the workbook on page 54 and 55. So hari ini kita hanya akan menggunakan buku kerja muka surat 54 dan 55 sahaja. Okay. So I hope you can prepare that. Alright. So let's go to page 54. Okay. So the topic is our world. And the instruction says, okay, arahan kata, where can you see these rules? Where can you see these rules? Read and tick the place. Okay, di mana kamu boleh berjumpa peraturan ini, baca dan tandakan tick, right? Okay, di tempat dia. It means that in these boxes lah. Okay, in these boxes. Okay. Alright, let's look at the first one. Kita lihat yang pertama. The first instruction says, be quiet. Be quiet. So what is be quiet? Remember yesterday, be quiet. Be quiet. Shh. Tolong senyap. So where is it? Di mana kita kena be quiet? Is it A? Is it B? Or is it C? So A is a hospital. B, a library. C, at the playground, taman permainan. Okay, hospital, library or playground. So which one? Okay, you mark now. Okay, done. So we're going to go on to number 2. Let's look at the rules. Don't touch the paintings. Don't touch the paintings. Jangan sentuh. Don't touch the paintings. Lukisan. Okay, lukisan. So in this place there are many paintings. Ada banyak lukisan. So where is it? A, cinema. B, museum. C, library. So which place? Yang mana satu? Okay, mark now. Tanda sekarang. Alright. So now we go on to the third one. Number 3. Turn off your mobile phones. Turn off your mobile phones. Tutup telefon bimbit anda. Okay, let's look at the places. Here we have museum, cinema, or school. So which one? Okay, you can mark now. Okay, we're going to go on to the next one. Don't eat or drink. Don't eat or drink. Jangan makan atau minum. Don't eat or drink. Makan atau minum. Jangan. Okay, where is it? Playground, library, cinema. Okay, mark now. The last one, number 5. Don't run. Don't run. Jangan berlari. Is it A, museum, B, playground, or C, swimming pool? So which one? Mark now. Okay, now we go on to exercise 2. Okay, exercise 2, it says here, write 3 rules for your bedroom. Write 3 rules for your bedroom. Okay, tulis 3 peraturan di dalam bilik tidur. 3 peraturan di dalam bilik tidur. You can use the rules that you've learned. Kamu boleh Gunakan peraturan yang kamu dah belajar tu. Okay, the one that you learned yesterday. Okay, you can use that. Boleh guna. Okay, alright. So I want you to write here. Tulis di sini. Okay, right here. Okay, for example, kita bagi contoh. Right, contoh. Okay, so you can use rules can be used again and again at the same place. Boleh guna berkali-kali di tempat yang sama. Okay, we say number 1, kita kata okay, example. Okay, throw rubbish in the rubbish bin. But this rules is used in classroom. Kan, guna dalam kelas. It's the same. Okay, kamu boleh guna peraturan yang sama untuk bilik tidur pun boleh. Takkan kamu nak buang sampah dekat atas katil, betul? Not on your bed, right? Or under your bed. No. You have to be clean. Mesti bersih. So you must know that it's the same rules. Okay. So let's look at the second one. Apa lagi yang kita boleh buat? Okay. Remember? What else? Apa lagi kita boleh buat? Okay. Kita kata don't Okay. Don't eat and drink. Jangan makan atau minum. Kamu bawa makanan ke dekat dalam bilik tidur? Tak kan? It's not good. Tak bagus. Bawa air ke makanan dekat bilik tidur, it's not good. Because why? Because if you make a mess, kalau kotor, okay, so small creatures will come. Makhluk-makhluk kecil akan datang, lipas, okay, sometimes rats, tikus, okay, and so on, because you have food there, ada makanan di situ, okay, and also your mother will be very angry, ibu pun akan marah, right? Okay, let's see another one. This one, okay, what else? Apa lagi? I want you to think one more. Fikir satu lagi. Okay, write your own rules. Tulis peraturan kamu sendiri. Okay, now we will go on to page 55. So if we look here, kamu lihat di sini, we have 4 time. Okay, 4 time. Okay, ada 4 jenis masa. It's not in your page. Dia tak ada dalam muka surat 55. But I want you to listen first. Dengar dahulu. Because it has connection. Dia ada kaitan dengan latihan yang kita nak buat nanti. Okay. So, here we have 4 clocks. Okay. 4 jam. 4 jenis jam. Okay. Now, we have 2 kinds of clock. Ada 2 jenis. One is analog, one is digital. Satu kita panggil analog, means that kita ada nombor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just like your wall clock. Sama macam jam dinding. Okay. The other one is digital. Lagi satu dia digital. Dia tak ada nombor macam ni, but it has numbers like this. Dia ada nombor macam ni. Okay. So clock like this, okay, we have 2 hands. Dia ada 2 tangan. One is the short one, tangan pendek. The other one is the long hand, tangan panjang. Okay, the short hand and the long hand. Okay, now let's look at this time. It's 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. O'clock or o'clock is just the same. Sama saja, sebutan saja berbeza. O'clock. When you see o'clock, okay, the word o'clock, it means the long hand. Tangan panjang mesti dekat 12. The long hand will be at 12. The long hand will be at 12. O'clock. O'clock. So long hand, 12. 2 for the short hand. 2 untuk tangan yang pendek. Okay, tangan yang pendek. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or what number it has here. Dia boleh jadi apa-apa saja nombor. But remember, when we have o'clock, the long hand will be at 12. Tangan panjang di 12. 2 will be the short hand. Okay, tangan yang pendek. Very simple. So if digital, it becomes 200. 200. It becomes digital. Okay, right. Now we go on to the next one. Next one. It says here, it's 1:30. 1:30. 1:30. Now, we have to look at this word first. Tengok perkataan ni. Half. 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 H-A-L-F. Half. When we have half, it means that the long hand is at 6. Tangan yang panjang di 6. Very simple. Half. Tangan panjang dekat 6. Okay. Pas 1. Pas 1. Maknanya selepas 1. So you can write the short hand. This one, the short hand at 1. Okay. The long hand, half, 6. Half, 6. Pas 1 means that the short hand is at 1. Okay. So in digital, okay, it is written, dia ditulis 130. 130. Okay, 130. Okay. Because we count by minutes. 12 to 1, 5 minutes. 1 to 2, 10 minutes. 12 1, 5 minit. 1 hingga 2, 10 minit. 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes. Okay, so we count, the number is written like this in digital. Okay, very simple. Senang saja. Okay, right. Now we go on to the next one. This one. Okay, is almost the same. Dia hampir sama. Okay, we have the word quarter. Quarter. Okay, quarter. Quarter means suku. Okay, suku. So, where is suku? Suku ni dekat nombor berapa? Very simple. Quarter ni mesti dekat nombor 3, number 3 and number 9. Number 3 and number 9. Okay. Number 3 and number 9. Quarter is at number 3 and number 9. Dia mesti dua nombor ni saja. It's called quarter. If half, dekat nombor 6. Half. If o'clock, 12. So very simple. You remember o'clock, 12. Half, 6. Quarter, 3 or 9. 3 ataupun 9. Just remember these 4 numbers. Ingat 4 nombor ni saja. Just remember these 4. Okay. Now, it says here, it's quarter past. This word. Okay, past. Past means selepas. Ingat, past, remember this. Past, selepas. Past, selepas. Same like this one. Half past. Past, selepas. Quarter means suku. Okay, past, selepas 1. Okay, quarter past 1. Okay, if quarter past 1 means the number must be at 3. Quarter past 3. Quarter past is at 3. So 1, the shorthand is at 1. Quarter past means the longhand at 3. Jarum panjang di 3. Right? Very simple. So in digital is written 1, 1, 5. 115. 1 per 1, 15. 115. Okay. Right. Very simple. Okay. Now, let's go to the second one. This one. Quarter to 1. Quarter to 1. Quarter to 1. Remember, quarter means suku. Okay. When we have quarter, as I said before, quarter, we have to remember 2 numbers. Ingat 2 nombor. 3 and 9. 3 and 9. Okay. Now, quarter to 1 means that it is quarter to is at 9. Dekat 9. Quarter past at 3. Quarter past at number 3. Quarter to at number 9. Okay, so quarter to 1. Okay, it means that 15 minit ke pukul 1. That's why my shorthand, dia jarak sikit. Okay, dia lari sikit daripada pukul 12. Okay, so it's almost 1. Dia hampir-hampir pukul 1. Quarter to 1. Lagi sikit nak pukul 1. Okay, right? So quarter to means that the long hand, tangan yang panjang, dekat 9. Tangan pendek nak dekat 1. Okay, quarter to 1. Okay, very simple. So remember, ingat So it is, remember, o'clock, half past, quarter past, quarter to. O'clock, the long hand is at 12. Jarum panjang dekat 12. Okay. Half past, jarum panjang, the long hand, dekat 6. Quarter past, the long hand, jarum panjang, dekat 3. Quarter to, jarum panjang, dekat 9. Just remember this. Number 12, number 6, number 3, and number 9. Very simple. Senang sahaja. Okay. Right? Okay, now we go on to page 55, exercise 1. Kita pergi muka surat 55, latihan 1. In here, you will see 5 pictures, 5 gambar. Okay, 5 pictures, 5 gambar. Okay, and also 5 sentences, ada 5 ayat di sini. What you have to do is look, read, and match. Lihat, baca, dan padankan. Okay, lihat, baca, dan padankan. Very simple. Okay, so let's look one by one. We're going to read this one by one. Okay, satu demi satu. Okay, we're going to look for the easiest first. Kita akan cari yang senang dahulu. Okay, yang senang dahulu. Okay, let's look one by one. We have A, B, C, D, E. Okay, A says it's 11:30. It's 11:30. B, it's 1:45. 1:45. C, it's 1:30. 1:30. D, it's 11:15. It's 11:15. And E, it says it's 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. Okay, it says 1 o'clock. Okay, so now let's look one by one. Which one is the easiest? Remember the word o'clock. Okay, we're going to look at E. O'clock. o'clock. O'clock means where is the long hand? Tangan yang panjang dekat nombor berapa? Nombor berapa? Remember, nombor 12. Okay, so let's look. Is there any long hand at 12? Oh, we have the first one. Kita ada gambar yang pertama. Okay, gambar yang pertama. We have the first one. Okay, so it's 1 o'clock. So 1 o'clock is the same time as picture number 1, because the long hand, tangan yang panjang dekat 12. O'clock means panjang, tangan panjang dekat 12. 1, tangan pendek dekat 1. Alright, let's go on. Kita cari lagi. Okay, let's look at number 3. Number 3. I don't want this one. The digital one nanti dulu. Kita look at the manual one. This one, analog. Okay, we have the long hand, tangan yang panjang. We have at 6. At 6. Tangan panjang at 6. So tangan panjang 6. The word is half. 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 Pas. Half means separuh. Mesti dekat nombor 6. It must be at number 6. Okay, so we know it's half past number 6. So here is 11. So the answer is which one? A, B, C or D? Look at this. Okay, so the number is which one? A. So number 3, A. So let's look back. Okay. Now let's look at the next one. The next one. Okay, we have picture number 5 here. So the long hand is at 9. Long hand is at 9. Remember I said, yang saya kata 3 and 9, quarter. 3 and 9 means quarter. Dia quarter. The word is quarter. Okay, so quarter 9. Okay, so if 9 is quarter 2. Kalau dekat number 9 is quarter 2. Okay, quarter 2. Okay, so quarter 2. Any sentences is quarter 2? So we have, okay, B a quarter to 1, D a quarter past 11. So if 9, the word is quarter 2. So number 5 is match with sentence which one? B or D? B or D? Which one? Yes, B. Okay, so the sentence is it's a quarter to 1. So you match, kamu padankan. Okay, kamu padankan. Alright, so now we left with these 2 digital. Okay, 2 digital. Okay, so it says here 11:15. 11:15. Okay, so 15 is quarter. Okay, quarter. 15 is quarter. 15 tu dipanggil quarter. Okay, quarter. So we have 2 more answers. Okay, quarter. So we have 2 more answers. Okay, that is D. Is it D? Okay, D and C. C and D. So remember, 15 means quarter. So quarter past. Kalau 15 dia jadi quarter past. It's same as number 3 The number 3. 3 ni 15. Okay. So The answer is which one? Is it C or D? Which one? Okay, you match. Kamu padankan. Alright. So the last one, C, it says 1:30. 1:30. So 1/2 means at number 6, dekat nombor 6. Yeah, dekat nombor 6. So but here it says 30. Why is it 30? Kenapa 30 bukan 6? Kan? Because we have to remember, ingat, kiraan dia 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So 6, number 6 is 30. We have 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes. Okay, that's why it's stated 1:30. Okay, it's the same as 1:30. So, you match. Kamu padankan. Alright, now we go on to the second exercise where you have to read. The instruction says read and draw the time. Read and draw the time. Okay, baca dan lukis masa dia. Okay, so here we have 4. Kita ada 4. Okay, we have 4. We're going to do the first one. Kita buat yang pertama. It says here, it's 3 o'clock. O'clock. So we know that o'clock means, maknanya jarum panjang dekat 12. Okay, o'clock means jarum panjang dekat 12. So let's put the long hand first. Okay. So the short hand, tangan yang pendek dekat 3. Says here 3. So we put at 3. So let's first. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay. Finish. Alright. Let's look at number 2. Kita lihat nombor 2. Okay, it says here 1/2. 1/2. So 1/2 means half nombor berapa? Number 6. Number 6. 11 number 11. So half jarum panjang ke jarum pendek? Jarum panjang. So jarum panjang dekat nombor berapa? Nombor 6. So let me see. Change it. So jarum panjang nombor 6. Okay. 11:30. So jarum pendek dekat nombor 11. Okay, alright. Okay, next one. Okay, next one says it's a 1:45. 1:45. 1:45. So we have 8. 1:45 means we look at 2 numbers. Kita lihat 2 nombor. 3 and 9. 3 and 9. Okay, 3 and 9. So 1:45 ni, which one? Is it 3 or 9? Nombor 3 ke nombor 9? Guess. 3 or 9? Very good. It's at 9. Okay, 9. 1:45 dekat nombor 9. Okay, so we're gonna put here the long hand, jarum panjang, 9. Okay. The short hand, tangan yang pendek, 2, 8. 2, 8. Okay, so 8 nombor 8. Okay, so we put the shorthand. Alright. Dekat nombor almost 8 lah, dekat-dekat nombor 8. Sebab nak dekat pukul 8 lah. So, okay, right. Okay. Oh, ini long, quite long panjang. So, pendekkan. Sorry. Tak apalah. Okay. So we go on to the last one. Last one ni, I want you to do it on your own. Saya nak kamu buat sendiri. Okay. It's a quarter past 6. A quarter past 6. So which one? A quarter past. A quarter past. Is it at number 3, the long hand at number 3 or number 9? Dekat nombor 3 atau nombor 9? Which one? What do you think? 3 or 9? Yes, it is at number 3. Quarter past, number 3. 6, the short hand, jarum pendek dekat nombor 6. Okay, let's see. Alright. Jarum pendek 6. Jarum panjang and 3. Alright. Okay. So it's quite simple. Just remember the words. Ingat perkataan yang saya ajar tu. Okay. If a clock means the long hand, jarum yang panjang, tangan panjang, the long hand, jarum panjang, 12. Half past, jarum panjang, 6. Quarter to, jarum panjang, dekat 9. Quarter past, jarum panjang, dekat 3. Okay, very simple, senang sahaja. Okay, so I hope make sure you finish your work. Okay, siapkan kerja saya. And make sure you take care of yourself. Jaga diri kamu elok-elok, baik-baik. Okay. Okay, so that's all from me. Okay, thank you very much.